Okay, sa wakas, we're going.
Watch out, so you careful in the crack. Your local tour guide here in El Nido. Okay? So once again, ma'am sir, what's my name?
Danilo!
And also everyone, the most very important skill in our boat, okay? AKA Jack Sparrow. Okay? Everybody please clap hands to our captain. Sometimes good ship, sometimes it's good ship. No, just kidding. So once again, everyone, ma'am sir, everyone, welcome aboarding, welcome to El Nido. Welcome.
Hi, kuya!
Давай кебаб.
Ganda ng kulay.
Вкус папа, вкус такие меня.
Yan, ligo time, swimming time. Kamusta ang first timers?
Yes, it was good.
So, we're ready.
Hey, let's go.
We're ready to move. Again. That's our boat, guys. Super ganda. Oh, di ba? It's so nice. Okay guys, so this trip was not planned at all, but somehow we ended up in El Nido. Today, we're doing island hopping and we chose Tour D. I don't even know what to expect, but I am excited. So our morning didn't exactly go as planned. We've been waiting for a while because the Coast Guard is checking the boats and we still need to fill out safety forms. But honestly, safety first, and we were just excited to get started. So at last, we are actually going to our boat. And guys, promise, ang ini-expect ko na sasakyan namin na boat is yung ano lang, yung motor bangka. At the moment I saw our boat, my goodness gracious. Chak! Grabe. Ang laki pala niya, oy! At ang ganda pa niya. Promise, safe na safe kayo. Guys, you can book leatherback travel and tours here in El Nido. Guys, look at our boat! It's huge! There is even a second floor, like a top deck. And the view from the top deck was insane. This is actually my first time back in El Nido after a while, and I forget just how beautiful this place is.
your local tour guide here in El Nido. Okay? So once again, ma'am, sir, what's my name?
Danilo!
And also everyone, the most very important skills in our boat, okay? AKA Jack Sparrow. Okay? Everybody please clap hands to our captain. Captain Brazil. Okay? And also they have a bartender and photographer, Kuya Jerry.
Wow!
Yeah. So that's our bartender for today. Because here in the boat, they have a ceiling for the beer, cola. Okay? If you want some buy, you can buy it. Okay? And also they have a master chef on board, Kuya Arvin. That's how we're gonna be our chef.
Chef,
Yeah.
I'm a chef.
Yeah.
He's an executive chef also.
Yeah. Sometimes good chef, sometimes it's good chef. No, just kidding. So once again, everyone, ma'am, sir, everyone, welcome aboarding, welcome to El Nido. Welcome.
Come on, open this too. Yes. That boat is very complicated.
I like pictures. I like pictures.
I love it.
Smell the diesel back there, sweetie. Okay.
Yeah? Hi guys! Nandito tayo ngayon sa El Nido. Oh my goodness. Kasama ko kayo sa aming island tour. After ilang taon. Ayan, nandito ako sa taas ng bangka. Ganda. Oh, yung background. Saan na ba? Yan, sa likod. Diba? Ganda. Nakaalis lang namin. Ang aga namin nag-antay doon sa port. Yan, kailangan pa kasi i-check yung bangka at saka yung mga safety nets. Ang ganda. Ganda ng bangka namin, promise. Katamaran siya. Helicopter Island. makakita ng ano, ng aurahan. Oh. Back. Ang galing, promise. Ang ganda ng effect. Sala. Ay, taray oh. Ah, sala. Oh, etong dalawa na next. Ito ang tour guide namin. Sir Danilo. Yan. Tour guide na, taga-picture pa. Ay, taray! Woo! So, there it is, guys. We are here now on our first stop. And that right there is our tour guide, Kuya Danilo. And I believe this is our first stop for our Tour D. Yes, it is. Yan, super ganda. Oh my goodness. Ay, video ko. Ang ganda, promise. Ang aking bear, ano na. Naka-video lang siya.
Sure.
Ay, thank you. Saglit lang, mga 1 second. Ayan, we're here in our first stop for the Tour D, guys. That's it. Thank you. Kayak.
Oh, I got Mary and you.
Kayakin. Hi, Kuya.
No, I can back this. No problem. Let's look at
Ganda ng kulay.
So who's passing? Who's the teaming up? Good.
Having dance sa iyo.
Ayan, grabing ganda sa loob. Kaya lang, di ko nadala ang aking cellphone.
Ganda, walang picture. Kasi sa brain.
Super nice. Ayan ang nakapaligid sa amin ang napakagandang limestone. And here's our bangka.
You can put your phone first.
Yan, ligo time, swimming time. Kamusta ang first timers?
Yes, it was good. Very good.
Ang ganda ng background nito dito.
One fight.
Okay, tanong ka na. Lulutang ka naman dyan. Oo.
Bakala magpanik.
Lulutang yan. Nagawa mo kami.
Okay lang yan.
Tumalong sila.
Go, go, go! Go! Fear your face! Face!
Lumapit, tatama mo sa mukha eh.
Lulutang ka lang yan! Lulutang lang yan! Go! 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 Go!
Kayat lang.
Nasa vlog yun! Nasa vlog yun!
Butik nalulunod ako.
Ganda nga. Food is ready! Kalma. Oh, kalma. We're going to the next island tour. And I believe we're going to have a lunch here in this town. Grabe, ang ganda. Shal. Ganda. Ang ganda ng formation, promise. Makita, oh. Oh my goodness. Ayan, patigil na tayo. I think we're gonna have lunch here. We're going to have lunch here. Aray ko. Ayan si Chef. Tsaka si Kapitan. Diba? This is the crew for the leatherback. That's our captain there. Hindi ko alam kung nasa na tayo. But I think we are here in our second stop for the tour day. Grabe, ang ganda. Yan, nakikita niyo ba yan sa background? Ang ganda. Super. Nakalimutan ko muna kung ano yung name ng island. I think we're gonna have lunch here. Nandito ako sa taas ng bangka or catamaran. Grabe guys, ang ganda sa personal. Promise. It's worth it ang ang antay sa Coast Guard. Ang cute naman doon. Diba? Look at this. So beautiful. Diba? Grabe guys, ang ganda. Super. If ever you are in El Nido, get the Tour D and contact the leather back travel and tours. Grabe, ang galing. Ganda. As in. Tapos super safe ang kanilang bangka. Yung bangka nila hindi ganyan, katulad niyan. Ayan. Yung bangka nila parang katamaran. Super safe kayo. Yan. And there's our friend waiting. Guys, kawai. Hello. Ano yun? Ano yun? Ano yun? Ang ganda. This is the leatherback. This is their boat. Hi! Grabe, ang ganda ng boat nila, yung design. Tapos ang laki pa, super safe kayo. And then, ang friendly ng mga staff. And then, ang galing nilang kumuha ng video at picture, promise. So, if you are here in El Nido, guys, just check out Leatherback Travel and Tour. Promise. And get the tour D. It's very, very good. Promise. Ganda na ng meron. Ang ganda.
Gusto lang yung ganito, relax lang tayo.
Kaya nga.
Ibang activity kasi.
Dami. Makipagsiksikan ka pa talaga dun eh, no? Wow! Para silang cottage, so. Super nice. Welcome to Wonderland.
Yeah, David.
Look at this.
Alright, excuse me everyone, Master, everyone, the idea that we're gonna be our fourth attraction today. This like this called
Welcome to Wonderland, El Nido. Ang ganda ng pagkagawa nila, oh. Napaka-detailed. Yan. Ang nice ng duyan. And then, ayan yung beach. Grabing ganda. Personal. So we're ready.
Hey, let's go.
We're ready to move again. That's our boat, guys. Super ganda. Oh, di ba? It's so nice. Paradise Island. And this is our last stop. And then we're heading towards the town of El Nido. This trip wasn't just about the place, it was about the people. We bonded, laughed, and even met new friends along the way. As the day ended, I realized this unexpected trip turned into one of the best experiences ever. I honestly didn't expect this trip to be this good. El Nido, you never disappoint. And to our friends who invited us to be here, thank you very much for the invite. It was really worth it. Thank you very much. You know who you are. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next adventure. Yeah. So everybody's coming back for island hopping. It was a very, very nice day. And I hope you like it, guys. And this is Aklaning to the Fishay. Don't forget to please like, share, and subscribe. Paalam!